Oh, says out. Good ball. Pass to the game through the years. Ariel Nilakos Magic. Beautiful miss. Pishatless Treasure. Good moving pip. Diamond Luster. Lover of Paul and Word the Wade. Is the early player through the years. Beautiful miss is running by Drala. Ilakos Magic in third. Shackler's Treasure in fourth. Then Pabang in pip comes. Good move. Lover of Paul running by Drala is Word the Wade and Diamond Luster. We've got beautiful miss by about 2 lines through the years in second. Ilakos Magic in third. Then racing in fourth. Shackler's Treasure. Lover of Paul in fifth. Good move in sixth. Word the Wade and Diamond Luster. And it's still beautiful miss by about 3 lines through the years, still in second, trying to get closer in third. Ilakos Magic, Shackler's Treasure in fourth, then followed by Lover of Paul. Good move, and it's still beautiful miss by about 2.5 lines, and in second, Shackler's Treasure alongside through the years. Here comes Lover of Paul together with Good moving pip. We've got number 5. That's beautiful miss. Shackler's Treasure. Lover of Paul is running by the roller. Lover of Paul takes the lead on the outside. Shackler's Treasure. It's now Lover of Paul and finally Lover of Paul. Shackler's Treasure. Beautiful miss. Good move. Then comes through the years. Word the Wade, Ilakos Magic and Diamond Luster.
Napakahusay na discarding pinakita dito ni Lover of All kung saan yun nga po inirendahan ni Renz Ubaldo ang ating unofficial winner para dito sa ating race number 7. Remate po ang pinakita niya dyan na segundo, numero 4, Shackler's Treasure at itong bumandera ng numero 5 na si Beautiful Miss ang naging tersero. Para po sa lahat ng gumagawa ng kanilang quartet, nakakuha ng quartet. Pang-apat na dumating, numero 3, Good Move. At para sa may mga pentafecta, numero 7, Through the Years. At ipang